What's up, y'all? I'm in Patrick Square today. This is 112 Tuttle Street. Let's go inside and take a look at this townhome. Some neighborhoods are simply places to live. Patrick Square is a place to belong. Welcome to 112 Tuttle Street in Clemson, a beautifully maintained one-owner townhome that's been thoughtfully cared for from day one. With just over 1,600 square feet, this home offers 2 spacious bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a floor plan that feels comfortable, functional, and timeless. Yeah, this townhome is move-in ready for sure, even down to the fridge. You don't get the stuff that's in it though. Cool thing about Patrick Square is if you run out of anything, you're literally a hop, skip, and a jump away. Both bedrooms are upstairs, and there's also 2 bathrooms upstairs, so you gotta do none of that sharing, you know? Step outside and you'll appreciate the convenience of a detached 2-car garage, additional street parking, and something many homeowners are looking for today, maintenance-free living. But life here extends well beyond your front door. Morning coffee, dinner with friends, shopping, healthcare, neighborhood events, and everyday conveniences are all just a short walk away. I'm Robert Whitesides with the go-to group at Agent Group Realty, and this right here is 112 Tuttle Street in Patrick Square.